Lately, I've been contacted much more frequently, and I've seen it in my own email where I'm receiving emails from Amazon, from Norton, from McAfee, from Geek Squad, all sorts of places claiming that I've purchased this service or this item, and if I haven't, to contact this number so that I can actually get it situated and erase the charge. Not true. This video, I'm going to show you some things you can do and how to see if those emails are legit or fake, which pretty much every time they're fake. But I am going to show you a real simple trick on how to know and what you can look for to see if it is fake or not. Before we get started though, I just want to really thank all of my subscribers. As of this video, I finally crossed 1,000 subscribers, so I couldn't be more happy, and I owe it all to all of you for actually subscribing, and I'm so happy that you find these videos of value. I've made a lot of tweaks in my studio, nothing that you're going to really see behind me other than, you know, that little new shelf over there with a few more Star Wars geeky stuff on it, some audio things. But it's hopefully going to streamline everything a lot better so that it's much simpler for me to actually get videos up and running instead of coming in and turning on each light individually and turning on the cameras. I have a lot of smart switches now that I can just kind of say, activate studio, and it'll turn everything on for me, and then deactivate studio, which will turn everything off. So hopefully if I can make everything a lot simpler and faster to get up and running, I can make more of these videos, because half the time I come up here and spend 20 minutes just getting everything turned on, everything plugged in properly. Again, I just want to thank all of you subscribers out there, and I look forward to interacting with you through the different means that are out there for interacting. And again, if you have any suggestions on future videos or questions, keep them coming like you've been. I really do appreciate it, and I enjoy it too. This helping people out with tech and music is just something I really enjoy doing, and I'm glad that I can do it through this means. But let's quickly jump in and check out how you can determine if an email is a scam or not. So I'm going to start right here. So in my Fastmail account, I actually have a personal Fastmail account. That's what I use for my personal email and not my work email. There's some simple things that you can look for to determine if an email is a scam or not, really quick and easy just on the surface. So for example, I have this email. The title says, "Stay protected all the time with Norton." And if you look down at the body of it, it says, "Dear customer," gives you the invoice number, looks really official. "We have successfully charged you $449.99 for Norton." Yeah, right. But looking at this, it really does look really legit. Norton LifeLock, that's a real thing. However, if you come up to the very top of the email, a lot of times in the latest updates with some of the email systems, Google does it and Fastmail does it and some of the other ones do, but the email client that I use on my actual computer doesn't show it right away. So sometimes up in this top, you have to click a little arrow just to kind of expand, or you might have to click on something that says like show details. So I'm going to click on that anyways, just so you can see. So it actually says it's from Norton, but if you see the email address it comes from, it's actually billing department 73921@gmail.com. Right there is the dead giveaway. You are not going to receive an email from Norton, especially for something billing related, from a gmail.com account. Their emails will actually come from a Norton at nortonsomething.com. 9 times out of 10, all these scam emails are coming from a gmail.com account. And if you even reply to the email, a good chance it's going to be a dead email account and nothing will actually respond to it. If you receive any of these emails, the first thing you want to check is what's the actual email address. And something you want to be careful of is a lot of time in the to box, they can actually put a real email address in there that looks official, but if you hit the show details, it will show you a different email account. The email programs as of late are getting better at not showing you those parts and actually showing you the from address, which again, in this case is a gmail.com account. I'm going to open up another email. So this is one I got from the Geek Squad. Been automatically renewed for $199.99. Again, looks pretty darn official from the Geek Squad. But again, look at the email address up here at gmail.com, romanwolf4050 at gmail.com. Yeah, most likely it wouldn't it would be some sort of at geeksquad.com or something along those lines. That gmail.com is the dead giveaway. And again, you should click on show details and you'll see everything right there. Most of the online systems, it's whether you're using Yahoo, AOL still, which some still are. If you use your internet provider's email, any of those ones will pretty much all look exactly the same when you get into the email. At the top, you'll be able to see where that email actually came from, or you'll see a little down arrow that you can click on, or something that says show details, so you can see in a little deeper at the email address. And it literally takes 2 seconds. If you get an email like this and you see it's a gmail.com account, you know it's a complete scam. Just delete it. There's nothing else you need to do. So I'm going to show an example that came into my Gmail. So here's another one. Came from McAfee for $399.49. And again, if you look in the top up here, it says order confirmation, payment invoice, and the email address is this gobbledygook at, again, gmail.com. And if I click on this little down arrow to show the details, you can actually see in there that it came from a gmail.com account. Again, if it was something for McAfee, it would come from an at McAfee.com or something along those lines. Some other things that you can look for in emails is bad spelling, just bad grammar overall. So some kind of clues in this one, the at symbol to reach out to us at. If this was a formal bill or something from the company, they wouldn't use the at symbol. They would use the actual spelling of it, AT. If you come down to the bottom, solutions_McAfee, no, that would just say Solutions McAfee. It's just some of these little things. You just want to look for that bad grammar and bad punctuation and things like that. That's another real easy way to see if it's a real email or not. Now, as I mentioned originally, there's one more thing you can always do. If you're not sure, go to their actual website. Don't click a link in the email to go to their site. Actually, just pull up your browser and go to Geek Squad and find their main website, not again by clicking a link in the email, but go directly to it, log into your account if you even have one. Chances are you probably don't. But I've seen a bunch of these emails that come from Amazon, come from things like that. I've received, it's been a little while since I've seen them, but I've actually seen emails come from Amazon saying, thank you for your purchase, for $999 iPhone or something like that. The easiest way is, again, don't click the link in the email. Go to Amazon.com. Go into your account and take a look at it. If you don't see it there, it's not real. They are trying to get you to call the number so you can give them your credit card information so they can, in quotations, refund it. And instead, you'll get scammed and they're going to pull money out of your account. And we do not want that to happen to anybody. So I hope you found this helpful. It's really easy if you just know some of the quick basics. Look at that email and who it's from. 9 times out of 10, that's going to take care of it for you. If that doesn't, look at the grammar, the punctuation, the spelling, all those things. If something doesn't look right, The other option you can do is if you actually go to the website directly, you can actually try to log into your account and then see if you've been, made a payment through it that way. Or you could just give the company a call and say, hey, I'm just double checking. Most companies will be more than happy to say, yeah, no, we never charged you that. It's just a scam. Never hesitate to call them just to verify. But if you can get in and view an account, that'll help you out too. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to click that subscribe button down below. And while you're down there, so you can stay up to date with all my latest video tutorials, hit that little bell icon that's over on the side there, and it'll keep you notified as my videos release. And if you have any questions or comments, especially in this area of protecting yourself, I hate to see anybody get scammed by these things. I've been called by people crying outside of their house. I've had people tearing cables out of their modem because they felt somebody was in their house on their network and using their cameras. I've had some really scared people call, and I do not want to see this happen to anybody. So if you have any questions or just comments on some things that have helped you out or some situations you've come across, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. You can also go to my website at adamontech.com and you can contact me through the website. Multiple ways to reach out if you're looking for some help or have some trouble. I am more than happy to help out. Otherwise, this is Adam on Tech signing off.